how you play this, you have to rip it and it goes like this. Guys, this is gonna be crazy. And the one I got today, do you know? We are gonna unbox Valkyrie! And are you ready to unbox it, guys? Yeah! Let's do this! What's up, bro? Let's do this! Let's do this! You ready to see Valkyrie? Let's go! Okay, it comes with a ripper, comes with a... Whoa! This is a slice. That's how it defeats this enemy. Takara Tomy.
Takara Tomy.
Takara Tomy.
Tomy.
Tomy. This model is B127. Guys, let's see it. Whoa! So this is an attack type, really? It's an attack type.
How do you know that?
How I know that? Because it's, look. You see that? I can read Japan in quiet mode. And it just slices with a power move. That's called a destroy move of Valkyrie strongest power. So it comes with Chinese V, Z, and EV. Okay? And you ready to open this? Let's do this, guys. I'm gonna get this tape off of it. I'm trying to be careful to not break it like Chase did on his channel. Open it on the side like this. Oh, guys, look. Oh my gosh, what did we get? This comes with a speed. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, let's open this up. We didn't see that coming. Oh, we got the pieces. Look at this. So let's see what we got. We got the launcher. We got the launcher, guys. And we can put stickers on him. But I don't want to do that. What? Papers on this thing. I don't want that. I know what to do, guys. Ah! My ripper! Guys, I got a ripper with this thing. Look, I got a launcher with this thing. Yeah. Let's throw that away. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah. That's hard, guys. Whoa, we got the shooter thing. I'm probably... Yeah. No, I got it. I can unbox it from my channel. What? Did you see that, guys? It was like... like I bladed or something like... Ah! Got this thing. Get out of here. How to work these things, this is good. I'll show you how to do this. If I can find a thing. Get this in. You do this? Okay, like this. Okay, so you do it like this. You put it, and then you put it in. Like, okay. Let it rip. Rip. And then can you see it? That's fast, right? If I can get this out, can that help me? We got that one out. Oh, quick. Sorry. We got it. Show them the other side, Daddy. Ah! I'll show them this one. Let's do this. Oh, Dad, get in. Okay, thank you, Dad. Cinema style, guys. Look at this. So cool. Let's do it. This is cool, right? Okay, let's build it. I know how to build these things. Wait, does it come with this? Oh, there it goes.
You're gonna want to match these pieces.
Yes, right. Oh! Okay. So you put that thing onto this. Until it, you put it in. And then you put the thing right there until it gets tight, really tight. And then you twist it this way. There we go! We did it! I told you you're missing your second defense. I think it's good. Yeah. Just the instructions. Okay. We just know how to do it. Guys, if you see this.
Can you read that?
Yes.
What does it say?
I can't see. I know what it says, but I can't see it. I know it's in my head. I can see it in my head. Ooh, these are cool, right? We should put them on now, right? Let's get the ballerina. Let's put this garbage over there. This is what it looks like, and it feels grippy right here, guys. Look at this. This is the strongest ballerina I've ever seen. So heavy in one hand. Not good.
Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let it
rip!
Yeah! What? Oh! I destroyed him first. You need to give more speed into you, Daddy. Defeat me. Ready? Let's go! Stop it! Let me see, Daddy! Let's keep going.
Ready? Here we go.
Wait. Okay, cool. Ready? Let's go! Wait, hold on! If I hit the wall, Daddy, it's over for you. I'm gonna destroy you. It's gonna come in, like.
Alright.
Yeah? Ready?
Let it rip!
Yes! 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 The snap! It's so strong!
Oh my goodness.
It's stronger with
These are a different class. See, these are Hasbro's.
What the heck?
These are Takara Tomy's.
So,
Oh, try this one.
which one?
Try this one.
You wanna try that one this time? Okay, this is the heavyweight, but see, we need to switch back in the weight. See, this the weight is off. Let me try putting the pieces back together.
What the heck?
This blade, I'm not sure what these are called, but this belongs to this one.
Ready?
Let it
Sword slice it! What? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
This one is mine.
Ready? Let it rip! Hold on! No! The way you never see that is the move. No! Whoa! This is brutal!
Oh!
This is and click that like button. And say bye to my brain.